All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at another flip house. Yeah, you guys know this one, the one where the HOA cost me $20,000. We're back out here taking a look at it. We got to make some decisions today, and I need your help. So I'm going to walk around, show you some of the decision points we got to make, and I need you guys to drop a comment. And you never know, maybe I'll choose one of your choices and roll with it. We'll keep you updated. Let's go. All right, outside's looking good. We got the brand new windows in. This is kind of crazy. The HOA takes care of the landscape in this property. The first thing I want to look at is this brickwork. All right, here's my dilemma. And if you guys renovate houses, flip houses, you know what I'm talking about. It's like massive trees fell and crushed this whole thing. We got to go back and match this brick, weave it in, and try to make it look good. The problem is these houses were built 40 years ago. So the best we could do to match these bricks is not even close. It's not even close. So here's what I gotta do. I gotta paint the bricks. We have to ask the HOA for permission to paint this house. What color are we gonna do it? It's not the type of neighborhood where we can do our normal white alabaster, eider white with brown stained shutters. It's just not. It's kind of like an old brown and yellowy neighborhood. But I think we've got an in on the board here, and I think they wanna see something new and amazing too, so we might just be able to paint it white. But if you guys were gonna paint this house, take a look. Pretty cool looking house. What color can I paint the brick? Come on, let's keep going. See, the reason we're struggling to figure out which color to paint this brick is if you look at this neighborhood, pan around, it's earth tones, right? Remember we got in trouble for the black roof from the HOA and had to tear it off and put the brown weathered look shingle roof on? We're trying not to make the same mistake of painting this the wrong color and then get in trouble and have to repaint it, save money, right? Hey, remember, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, the like button. We're making a ton of content. We want to keep you updated when it comes out. All right, let's go inside and take a look. Amigo, how's it going?
Good.
What you working on? Floor?
Yeah.
Woo!
Mucho.
Hey, mucho trabajo, mucho dinero.
No.
Muchas gracias.
No.
Yeah, sí. For me, for you.
Oh, yeah.
Gracias.
Yeah, gracias.
My man's got some work cut out for him. Okay. All new sheetrock, right? We saw the insulation. Now the sheetrock's in. Makes this feel like a house and not a disaster zone. Looks really good. Everything's pinned up. I guess they should be back soon to tape it and mud it. I sent my hardwood flooring guy, right? And he came over and there's just 7,000 staples. He's like, in 25 years, I've never seen so many staples. We don't even know what they had down here. We can't even figure it out. But if you listen, I mean, it's everywhere. There's tens of thousands of them. So we got my man in the other room just straight up with pliers and a flathead screwdriver pulling them up. Grown man work. All right, let's look in here. All right, the old tray ceiling. This house was completely crushed. We'll drop a picture right here. Had that bed underneath it. You guys remember that? Scary. Somebody was here when that massive Hurricane Helene came through and wiped this place out. But now it's all brand new. We passed all of our inspections, our rough-in inspections. So our framing, our electrical, our plumbing, our rough-in HVAC ductwork, our insulation on the exterior walls. And so our next inspection from the county will be final on this. This is a nice house. Numbers look like paid $120,000 for the house. Gonna put another 120 into it, maybe a little bit more, and sell it for $400,000. This one should be a home run, anywhere from $125,000 to $150,000 of profit on this property. And this one will sell before I even get it done because of location. All right, let's take a look. It's kind of dark in here. Yeah. Just wait. This is going to be sick. This place is going to be really, really nice. Huge standing tub, full walls of tile, walk-in shower. It's too dark in here. I'll bring you back when it looks better. Can you see this? Hey, this is a tactic I do. Here's some free chicken for you guys. When you're walking your projects, everybody wants a system and an iPad and all these cool apps that they communicate with their people from. I'm old school. I still like to break out the pencil and write on the rough sheetrock. Let me give you a reason why you use pencil. I use pencil because when they kills this, it's new sheetrock, so they're going to prime these. You'll hide this pencil. If you use Sharpie, you'll see it through the primer sometimes. And here's what I do. I write real lightly. So it doesn't dig into the sheetrock either. But you can kind of see, I just build little lists here for my guys. And that way when I meet them here, I can say, here's what we're doing. I can physically show them exactly what I want. And when they're done, I'll put these little boxes next to them so they can check them off. Try that next time, guys. All right, looks good in here. Let's check out the kitchen. Everything looks good. Remember, we talked about we're gonna have to match this knockdown. We can't do slick ceilings in here because 75% of the house is already done. It's already knocked down, but we still got really good trim, really good crown molding everywhere. This house was a homeowner house. It looks good. I'll show you the screen porch. Look at the staples, dude. It's really pretty. Andrew had a good point. We want to go ahead and order the screen porch material for this because sometimes it takes a while to get here. That way we can have it all ready. This house is going to come together really, really quick now that the sheetrock's on it. I mean, look at these windows. I mean, this, didn't even know this guy was here. They look good, brand new. All the screens in them. What are you guys paying for windows? Right now, I'm probably paying about $375 to have the window tore out, a new one installed, capped in metal and caulked in on the inside. Anywhere from $300 to $400 depending on the house. The more windows, the cheaper the window costs are. I pay for the windows and I pay about $110 for labor for each window to be torn out and put in. But that took me years to get that price. That's a good price, and I do hundreds and hundreds of windows every year. So if your price isn't that good, it's okay, but make sure you're somewhere close to that. All right, garage. Let me show you the size of this garage. Hola, amigos. It's a little dark in here too. All right, here's some free chicken for you. This house has a massive garage, okay? We're always looking for places to stage materials, or from the previous flip, all the extra paint and materials, sheetrock that we're using, you can bring it here and forward stage it. On this one, it's even better. We're using these beautiful RTA cabinets from the RTA store, ready to assemble flat pack cabinets. They're already in. We make sure we pre-ordered them. That way, if anything didn't show up or anything was back ordered, we had time. We put them on a trailer and we're able to park them right in this garage. So when my team is ready, they'll come straight here, pull them off here and build them right in this garage and set them in the kitchen, right? Use your spaces. If you've got a garage, if you've got a shed at your flip house, forward stage your materials and be ready for them when you need them, right? That way you're not running to Lowe's to get cabinets or going to pick them up every day. Everything's already here right in the garage because you own it already. All right, we're at another decision point. This house came with these awesome solid wood plantation shutters that add a lot of privacy, a lot of character. But the problem is they're bolted to my trim. They've got gold hinges on them. So I'm wondering, do you think I can take these off and be able to keep them and put them back on? Do you guys like plantation shutters? Should I leave them? Should I take them off? What do you guys think? Drop a comment below and tell me what you think about the plantation shutters. All right, another decision point that we need help with is, what do you guys do in these big vaulted ceilings where the can lights are on an angle? Do you put those old school like angled down eyeballs that make them straight, or do you just put trims in? Do you put recessed cans in, recessed lights in there? How do you guys handle these can lights on an angle? I'm anxious to know. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. I think in the past, we've always gone back with just basic trims that are aimed, you know, wherever the can light's aimed at. But I don't know, back in the old school, they used these gimbaled ones that kind of aimed exactly which way you want to do. Of course, we're going to put a massive 68-inch fan or something right in the middle to cool this place down. But I wonder what you guys would do with the can lights. Drop a comment below and tell me what I should do with these can lights. Okay, that was a quick walkthrough in our flip house. A couple decisions we got to make. You guys help me out. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Should I paint the house? What color? What am I gonna do with those can lights, those plantation shutters? I'll shoot another video next week and upload of the progress. We should have all that sheetrock done, the trim going in. We've got a couple cool trim ideas, but just wait till you see the tile in these bathrooms. Follow along, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video.